Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you beautiful denim basket crafts ideas. So I hope you wish you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, so let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is reverse This is very easy and budget-friendly craft idea. You can use all jeans and turn them into something amazing. First, take your all jeans, cut them into square or rectangle pieces. You can use one color or mix different shades of denim for a creative look. Now take one stick fabric or cardboard for the base, cut it into a square or round shape as you like. This will make your basket strong and friends, next start stitching the denim pieces together. Make the side of the basket. You can seam by hand or use a sewing machine. Make sure the stitches are strong. After that, attach the side to the base. Slowly stitch all around. Now your basket shape is ready. If you want a neat look, add a lining inside. Use any soft fabric. This will make your basket look clean and beautiful. So I hope viewers you like my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. See you in the next